Alright, so here's how I got my MetaQuest 3S working on Bazzite with WiVRn and wired. Okay, so first thing you need to do is make sure you have developer mode enabled on your MetaQuest. I've linked a video in the description explaining how you can do this. Okay, so let's move on to installing WiVRn. Go on to the bazaar, search for WiVRn. Oh well, it popped up earlier. Install this and then okay, so once you have installed WiVRn, you can go into the terminal, copy the brew install Android platform tools in the description, just like this. I'm not gonna do it though, because I've already installed it, but it should install once you press enter. After it's installed, you can type in which ADB this, and that gets you a directory you need to copy. Once you have that, you can start this. You won't get this, I think you get this page. You can just press next, and here you gotta install the WiVRn app on your headset. Just go onto the store in the headset and type WiVRn, and this should pop up. Once you have this installed, you can go to the next. You can skip this for now, and then finish. Okay, now you need to go in settings. Here you pick an encoder, which is dependent on your GPU. Since I have NVIDIA, I will pick but if you have AMD, you can pick WAP. If you have any newer GPU, you can pick Vulkan. Once you have this picked, you can enable a custom ADB location and enter the location where the ADB is, which would be, for me, here. Don't worry about that. So just copy, well, you would have just copied the directory here. Just enter it. Don't forget to have this part in it as well. And then open VR compatibility. You can, most games I think will work with this, but if not, you can pick X-Riser. Okay, then press OK. Okay, now let's copy these launch options and go into Steam. I'm gonna pick Beat Saber. Press on this. Properties, general. We're not gonna have this here. Paste the launch options. And then close this. Okay, now you can start your headset and then plug in your cable. You should get a pop-up, but I did not get one this time. So I go onto my phone and then disable and enable developer mode to get the pop-up, which is allow USB debugging. And I press allow, and after I've allowed it, I go into the WiVRn app. Now I take off the headset. I do not connect through the headset. You have to go onto the WiVRn app on the PC and then press the USB connect wire here. Now it should be connected. Now you can start the game you wanted to start. Mine is Bazzite right now. So I just press start here. So once you have started it once, you can start it through the app on the Meta Quest. And I should be in. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Though I don't have much experience, I just set this up through a lot of googling and yeah. So hopefully this saves you an hour or two of setup. Okay, that's it for me. Bye.